Once you've entered your license key, which, once again, is available in your Gerchik Co personal account, the Screener 25 window will open. At the top of the interface, you can select the specific market you wish to trade and choose the assets you're interested in. You can select crypto, forex, or CFD. Simply click the button to switch between them. Your selection here will also adjust the basic search parameters accordingly. You can also choose your preferred time frame: 5-minute M5, 15-minute M15, 30-minute M30, 1 hour H1, 4-hour H4, or the daily time frame D1. Screener 25 detects 4 setups: a 1-bar breakout with consolidation PRB1, a 2-bar breakout with consolidation PRB2, a 1-bar false breakout with consolidation LP1B, and a 2-bar false breakout with consolidation LP2B. You can filter by any individual setup if you're interested in a specific pattern type. If you want Screener 25 to scan for all available setups, simply click the All button. You can also filter the results to display only long setups for buy trades or only short setups. If neither option is selected, Screener 25 will display results for both directions. Pay close attention to the ping metric displayed here, which shows the response latency between your computer and the server. The higher the ping value, the longer Screener 25 will take to complete the scan, meaning you will need to wait a bit longer for the results to load. After configuring these basic settings, specify the search date, choose CFDs, which offer the widest selection of assets, and set your time frame to the daily chart. Click the Run Scan button, and Screener 25 will display all the matching assets along with the identified patterns. You can click on the column headers at the top to sort the results. Here, we see 2 1-bar false breakout setups, LP1B, and 3 1-bar breakout with consolidation setups, PRB1. DR is short for direction, long or short, showing the key reference level date and the specific price level. Clicking on any row with an asset will bring up a panel on the right displaying the entry parameters: entry, stop loss, and target. It also demonstrates the number of shares you can buy based on your preset risk and leverage settings. It also factors in commissions and other details. Hovering your cursor over any field with a question mark will display a tooltip in either English or Russian, if you've switched the interface language, explaining what the parameter means and how to use it. You will also find settings for stop location and TPCOEF, TP/SL ratio, Luft, and more. You can review all of these parameters. To close this panel, simply click the X icon or click the selected row again to collapse it. You can also close the program using the X in the corner or minimize it by clicking Minimize. This will minimize the tool to your taskbar, allowing you to reopen it just like any standard program.